In the company, let's see, you have some superior officer, section manager, and name is Tanaka. The last name, family name is Tanaka, and the first name is Ichiro. Then section manager in Japanese is Kacho. Now, his title is Kacho. Now, what name, when you address him, when you call him, how you call him? Tanaka-san, or Ichiro-san, or just say Ichiro, or Tanaka, or Kacho, or Kacho-san, or Tanaka Kacho. Which one is it? Many of Japanese company, it's like a military way to call the rank instead of the names in the company. Especially when you call the president, the big boss of the company. Usually the president is called Shacho. Shacho means president, chief executive officer. And let's say the Shacho, the last name is let's say Suzuki, and the first name is Taro, Mr. Suzuki Taro. And usually employees in the company 99% of time never call first name of that president, not even the last name. Almost always say Shacho in front of him, because only one in the company. And if you call him the first name, then you will not get fired, but the president will understand your knowledge of Japanese, or your knowledge of culture of Japanese are very limited and may not be useful for Japanese business. Maybe okay for overseas, but not for domestic business in Japan. He may think so, just by one word. So when you call superior, let's try the rank. And if many same ranks people, like a manager, many managers in the same floor, of course you can put some last name, Tanaka manager, or Tanaka Kacho, Tanaka Bucho, Yamada Bucho. You can put those last name. And not necessarily you put adding the san at the end of the rank, because san it's make a pride, but already a rank. Adding a rank and san, it makes like a rank is something not so important, and you are telling him your rank is not so important. So you can just, if a small company, you just say section manager, Kacho, Bucho, Shacho. That's all. That's the way you can survive in Japanese business. That's all for today.